joined your school for the subject of the social science. This year I am going to handle 8th standard social science. Okay, I am very happy with you in this year. See, before starting the social science lesson, I am going to ask you the few questions. If you know the answer for these questions, you can please answer. The first question I am going to ask you: who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Okay, you may know the answer. It is Jawaharlal Nehru. Second question: when did first war of Indian independence happen? Okay. Second question I asked when. First question I asked who. And third question I am going to ask you: where is the Taj Mahal? Okay, you may answer. Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay, students, I wrote the three words here: who, when, and where. Okay, I wrote the three words: who, when, and where. These words tell about the history. You may know what is the history. History, what is happened in the past. What happened in the past. That one we call as a history. Okay, I asked the first question: who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? See, and when did the first World War of Independence happen? And where was the Taj Mahal? Where is the Taj Mahal? See, students, see, from who, when, and where we will get the answer. Who was there on that time? When was this happened? And where is that place? And where that place is there? For knowing all this one, we call this one as a history. History is nothing but what had happened in the past. What had happened in the past. See, how is the things is there now? How was in a previous years? For example, you take the example of our town, Gudalgudda. How was the Gudalgudda in the year 1947? And what are the changes happened now in Gudalgudda? See, for knowing this one, we will refer the history. That one we call as a history. History is nothing but what had happened in the past. How was the things? Who was there? In which year the battle took place? Who was the king on the dynasty? And when did the king die? See, for all this one knowing, we call as a history. Students, and also we know that history is a string of dates. See, for a chronological arrangement is very important to study the history. See, because for knowing the chronological arrangement, we will come to know in India who was ruling in the year 1947, who was there, and who was there in 1947 in Britain. See, that one come to know about the chronological order. See, this will help the historians to write the history in correct orders. You may know, see, first we know, see, so many Britishers came to India. See, in 1600, they established East India Company. And so many other foreigners came to India. First, Portuguese came, Britishers came, Dutch came, and last one, French came. See, for knowing all this one, the history is very important, friends. And also, so many will know in the future. Finally, the French and English fought so many battles, and finally, the French went. Only the English they stayed in India.